Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to share with you an amazing DIY hack for achieving gorgeous curls without using any heat. That's right, no more damage from curling irons or hot rollers. We're going to use everyday household items to get those bouncy, beautiful curls. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, grab some socks. Yes, you heard me right. Socks. Make sure they're clean and preferably soft and fluffy. Start by dampening your hair just a bit. You don't want it dripping wet. Think lightly misted. Now take a section of hair, place the sock at the end, and roll it up towards your scalp. Tie the ends of the sock together to secure it in place. Repeat this all around your head and go to sleep. In the morning, untie the socks and voila, you have stunning curls. Next, let's talk about using a robe belt. Yes, the belt from your comfy bathrobe can be your new curling tool. Start with damp hair again. Place the belt on top of your head like a halo. Take a small section of hair and wrap it around the belt, adding more hair as you go along, just like a French braid. Secure the ends with hair ties and leave it in for a few hours or overnight. When you take the belt out, you'll have beautiful loose waves. Now, if you have any old t-shirts lying around, they can work wonders too. Cut the t-shirt into strips about 1 inch wide. Take a strip, wrap a section of hair around it, and tie the ends of the strip together. Do this all over your head with damp hair. You can either sleep in them or leave them in for a few hours. When you take them out, you'll have soft, natural-looking curls. For those of you who might be in a hurry, try using a headband. With damp hair, place a stretchy headband around your forehead. Take small sections of hair and tuck them into the band, wrapping all the way around your head. Leave it in for a few hours or until your hair is completely dry. When you unravel it, you'll be left with gorgeous waves. And there you have it. 4 easy, heatless ways to curl your hair using items you already have at home. Not only do these methods save your hair from heat damage, but they're also super budget-friendly. I'd love to see your results, so don't forget to tag me in your photos. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.